if you're done with the screwdriver, can I take it?
Do what you like, dude. I don't need it anymore.
Give me your answer.
I've taken the batteries out. That was easy. Here you go, pal. 2 alkaline batteries.
Perfect. I got good news for you, Admiral. The space transmitter is fully operational again.
Thank you, Lord Vader. And now, if you don't mind, I have more important things to take care of. And I could use that radio you just fixed.
Not so fast. I want something in exchange.
Oh, hey, you didn't say I had to give you anything.
Neither did I say I would do it for free.
Dude, I was the one who was blackmailing you.
That's true, but now I'm the one who has something you need. And I want something in return. It's very simple. I just want you to help me spruce up a part of my costume.
All right, tell me already.
I want a better lightsaber. This is a toy one. I want something more realistic.
But how the fuck am I supposed to find one of those?
I fix stuff, you get stuff. So there, go get me a new lightsaber.
Whatever. I'll do what I can.
What the hell is this?
It's the best I can do, okay?
What's this? Scotch tape?
Maybe.
This is unacceptable. This is an offense to the Empire.
Thought so.
I can't use a lightsaber that's not red. Don't you know that?
Of course I know, but I'm sorry. You're 1 episode too late. Can't seem to find any red paint anywhere today.
Well, it's not just the color. There's no batteries, and it doesn't even work.
I just needed the batteries for...
Enough! This is unacceptable. You have failed me, Admiral, and thus you have failed the Empire. I won't tolerate any more mistakes. Bring me what I want, or prepare to feel the prepare to feel the force around your neck.
Okay, so counting you, I think I've already talked to every single freak there is in this town. Amazing. This is all that's left in my precious lightsaber, just the handle. Okay, this looks pretty nice. Kids, don't try this at home without adult supervision. Here's your friggin' lightsaber or whatever, and please be careful with that thing. I'm not sure what's gonna happen once you turn it on.
Very funny. Let's see. Holy Mother of the Emperor! This is amazing!
Turn that thing off before you kill somebody.
Spectacular! Here's your radio, Admiral. Now, I need to run some tests.
I'm off before he tries to cut my hand off or something.
What the? Where the hell is my money for the bus?
What the? Hey, where's my gum? Did you swallow my coin? Do you have any idea what I went through to get that? God damn it, this is so unfair. Huh, I'm only asking for what's mine. And the prize is a massive bubblegum roll. Sorry, friend, but I need your little gun.
You damn punk! I'll find you sooner or later!
You won't even remember me. Here you go, kid. This is the ultimate weapon.
What an ugly gun. I don't like the color, and it's not very aerodynamic.
What?
Say what again? Say what again? I dare. I double dog dare you, motherfucker.
Look, kid, I had to go through a lot to get that gun, okay? Didn't your parents teach you any manners? God.
Mom, this man says you're not bringing me up right. What?
Hey, that's not true. I said something very similar, but not that.
Honey, I told you not to talk to strangers. They're all imbeciles.
Yes, Mommy. You heard her, you idiot. Get out of here. That gun sucks. You suck. And your hair sucks. You'll never get my badge. Hey, what the hell?
You might be wearing a plastic badge, but I have more power.
Wow, that gun is awesome. Give it to me.
Oh, I love this feeling. Now you want the gun, huh? This gun? Aw, but it isn't aerodynamic and the colors are so ugly. Nah, I think I'll just throw it away.
Don't be a dick.
Who, me? I think you're wrong, kid. I'm stupid, I'm ugly, and I suck, right?
But that doesn't mean your gun isn't cool.
I want to see you beg for it. Maybe then I'll let you have it.
No way I'm begging you. Just give it to me. We had a deal.
All right, here, but be careful.
Awesome. Here, take my water gun.
Hey, hold it, your water gun. That wasn't the deal. You said you'd give me your badge.
If I gave it to you, how would people know who's in charge here then?
Kid, you said you'd give me your badge if I got you a better gun.
I never said that. I said I'd think about it.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Give me the damn badge.
No. What you gonna do?
Oh, you'll see, you little monster. You'll see. Now I'm ready for war. Ow!
What are you doing?
What am I doing? I just wanted to splash you and you shoot a nail at me?
Shoot first, ask questions later. That's how I roll.
Well, that attitude's gonna get you in trouble one day. Ow! Will you knock it off?
I just wanted to make sure it worked.
Well, it does. Please, don't shoot. Come on. Can't we make some kind of arrangement here? Ow! Will you stop shooting nails at me? God.
Why? I like doing it. I could do it all day, you snot face.
Listen, kid, I really need that police badge. It's urgent.
What do you need it for?
I want to pose as a cop to question the asshole who mugged me yesterday.
You just said asshole. That's a naughty word. You need to be punished.
Wait, no, kid, come on, no, don't shoot me.
Give me a good reason not to.
How about because it hurts? Ow!
Mind your language when you're talking to me, you filthy maggot.
God, you'll pay for this.
Yeah? What you gonna do?
I'll come up with something. Just wait.
I'm a kid. You can't ask me to wait. I have no perception of time.
Okay, so you can shoot.
Of course I can. You want me to show you again?
No, enough of that.
Thought so.
But you know, I'm standing right here in front of you, so don't get too cocky, you know what I'm saying?
So, you want to step back a little? I bet I can still hit you.
No, why don't you shoot something else? I mean, something that's not me, and not as close as I am. So, I can tell if you're a good shot or not.
Okay, what do you have in mind?
Why don't you shoot that subway sign?
Piece of cake.
Looks like it wasn't so easy after all.
Shut up. Wow, look at that.
Did you hit it?
Of course I did.
That's weird. I don't see any dings on it.
Whatever. I swear I hit it.
Okay, yeah, I guess I'll just have to believe you. Oh, do you think you can hit that red X on the barrier?
Check me out.
Close, but no cigar.
I said shut up. This damn piece of junk.
Don't worry, it's okay.
I said shut up. There you go.
Oh, sorry, I wasn't looking. Can you do it again?
Oh, see?
Yeah, well, it's not like you hit it the first time, but hey, if you're happy with that, okay.
You're an idiot.
Well, I don't suppose hitting that subway map would present much of a challenge to a child of your talents, huh?
Of course not. Oh, damn. It's just because I can't get a good shot in from here.
Yeah, I'm sure it's just that.
Watch this. Did you see that? I told you I could do it, you dork.
Yeah, but I mean, with such a big target, even a monkey could have done that.
Hey, don't forget I'm the one holding the gun.
I know, I'm just saying maybe you need to practice your shooting there.
I don't need to.
Okay then. So, no more practicing? Why don't you try shooting that map again?
You're so annoying. What if I just shoot you in the eye?
But kid, I was just...
What's wrong with this thing?
Oh, what? You thought it had infinite ammo or what?
I didn't really think about it.
Yeah, good. Well, guess what? Now it's my turn.